looks like a Murcielago got in a car accident. I don't see a driver. I'm sure they're probably fine. Looks like they rear-ended somebody.
The front of the car is actually mangled.
That sucks. It's right over here. Oh no. Poor Murcielago. I think the whole road closed right here. Must have just happened. Traffic's completely stopped, so we're not going anywhere for a minute. Oh no. Did he push it off the road? There's no way. Oh no, he's not. He is pushing the Mercy with the squad car. You guys see what happened?
I don't know, bro. I just rode up in the M2 and I was like,
yeah, like there's you can't even go anywhere, so might as well.
Yeah, we're not leaving anywhere right now. No way. Why? Why are they pushing the back of the car with the squad car? Like,
because
the back wasn't damaged.
Back doesn't damage, but we cannot roll it. The key is broken, so we cannot start it and all this stuff.
But they just caused a lot more damage to the back of that car.
Nice and easy.
I can't believe they just destroyed the back of that car with that bumper. So the door's smashed in now. And the tow truck's here.
Yeah.
They could have waited 5 minutes and not damaged that car. Unless the owner authorized that.
They are overreacting, man. They overreacting about everything. They just came and 3 different departments, sheriff department, highway patrol, and other officers, and they like each of them were asking me the same question.
Well, as long as everyone's safe, that's all that matters. Cars can be replaced. But then once a car is damaged, it's like, do we need to damage it some more? Oh.
So everybody's okay.
Everyone's okay? You're okay?
Everybody's okay.
Did you authorize the police to push the car with their squad car?
Yeah, because they have to.
Oh, okay. So you said that's okay?
Yeah, I told them that's okay because they were giving us quite a bit of and not with the best attitude. But, you know, Team Spark handles all kinds of situations. So this is one of our cars over at Spark.
No way.
At Murcielago.
But you're okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You're a little banged up on your shirt there, but...
Yeah. It's the airbags, I didn't get the car detailed with the steering wheel, so the airbag's a little dirty, hit me, but no, everybody's okay. But I wasn't driving the car, granted.
I'm sorry. It's a gorgeous car. I love Murcielagos, and it's hard to see this happen, but as long as everyone's okay, it's just a car. It was really hard watching the police push it with the cruiser and doing more damage to the door and the back of the car. And now the tow truck's here, so they could have waited 5 minutes. At the end of the day,
it's totaled.
It's totaled.
Yeah, you know, it's
this would be a total loss.
Well, you guys been through a lot of, you know, the situations before, so
yeah,
you guys know how it is.
And so it happened right here.
Yeah, it happened right here. So this is actually one of our cars too. And there was the first car, I don't know where it was, but it was a 3-car accident. And then the car in front, for some reason, braked very harshly. So my co-founder here, Kojin, had to brake. He was driving the SVR, and our friend, the driver, you know, couldn't react fast enough because these damn ceramic brakes, if you don't get them hot, they don't work.
Yeah, exactly. On these LP Murcielagos, the ceramics need a lot of heat to function. They're sketchy without it, so that is what it is at this point.
Yeah.
Where are they gonna take it, do you know?
I have no idea yet. I think we're about to figure it out. So this one is also totaled because it's...
Dude, did your hat from the trunk go in the back of that car?
Hey, can you talk to me?
All right, do your thing.
That's why we'll never monetize on your data with Spark device, because we're gonna lose insurance.
He's always plugging the product. That's an entrepreneur right there, even in times of sadness. Dude, the hat is impaled in the bumper. So this Bentley hat was in the front of the Murcielago. It is now inside the bumper.
There you go, there's a hood right there.
This is memorabilia.
Holy.
That needs to go on a wall.
Oh, it will. It will.
This is all Murcielago, wedged in the tailpipe.
Thank carbon.
That would have been right here.
That is pretty cool to see though, I will say.
These
cars are so low and the windshield is like almost horizontal. Like that could be so much worse. So much worse. The car was literally wedged up underneath this jack.
So these are here to prevent you in a rollover. It's basically acts as your roll cage, and they automatically have a pneumatic firing system that shoots up like that. He's doing his accident report right now. That's from them using their ram bar or whatever to push the car. So that was caused by CHP right there. Taillights are okay. Those are big money.
He was given a different VIN number, different paperwork, and it still doesn't match this.
Still doesn't match them?
What did he hit? Damn.
Just got notes from the police because we got Montana plates, and California is cracking down on Montana plates. They're suspecting us that we're doing tax evasion and fraud.
Is that what he's saying right now?
Yeah, really offended. Under this, it could be a little bit more sensitive. They're very insensitive right now because Monterey Car Week cops, you guys already know, targeting a lot of.
Well, it's also CHP.
CHP.
There's CHP.
And CHPs are starting to crack things down. But go talk to the officer.
I don't want to bash law enforcement. They have a tough job. CHP can be the hardest to deal with, as Keller knows recently from his encounters with CHP in this area. Yeah, it's not often I'm speechless. It's sad to watch a car like this go. There's not a lot of LP 640s.
No, there's not.
Only a few thousand. Every time one goes, it's like.
I think the engine would be perfectly fine in this car.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Perfectly fine.
Your suit jacket's okay. So we have a date. Oh no, hold on. Oh yeah. I can't get over that Bentley hat. It's shoved into the bumper, dude.
961.
Good.
Sorry for the inconvenience. Everything matches.
Everything matches, right?
Yeah. Okay. We just.
Yo, it's
The only
fine.
thing is that Montana, you know.
It's fine. You know, it's fine because it's fine that you guys have questions and we're here to
Right.
help you. You know, because you're just doing your job. But when you guys are assuming things, that's when I get offended really hard.
They ran the plate. It was not matching the VIN number. It was a different.
But everything matches, right?
But then I wanted to talk to you. We're just trying to figure it out. Just asking.
I know.
Everything's good.
I know. All right, as long as everything is good.
It's just part of the job, you know.
It's okay. It's part
Yeah, I
of
didn't mean to like.
Don't worry.
What was the accusation?
Nothing yet. We're still trying to ask questions.
Got it. But there was
I
you
wasn't
suspected
there
a
yet.
VIN swap originally?
Possibly, you never know. Possibly, but.
Insult to injury after an accident, but it is what it is. When you drive an exotic car, you're gonna have problems with the police. You're guilty or not guilty, it's irrelevant. It's just, they're gonna treat you differently. My Gallardo back in 2019 got rear-ended and the cop was so rude to me about it.
Yeah.
They asked, no, should have these cars. I'm like, dude, that was my dream car, you got smashed up. It wasn't my fault. And he kicked it apart of me saying, here's a souvenir for you. Whatever happens internally is externalized sometimes. So if one of them's going through something right now and they see you in this car and they assume something, even in this moment, they might be like, oh, you shouldn't have this car, it's probably stolen. It is what it is, you know it's not, it's resolved, that's over with. Now, you gotta get on the tow truck.
A lot of times when, you know, these people, when they see you in a nice car, they assume you don't have emotional feelings. And they assume you can afford another one. And they will treat you different.
Well, the problem is, there's only like, what, 3,000 LPs?
It's a very rare
There are
car.
not a lot of them.
And we actually, this is one of our most precious cars when it comes to how we handle it and how we bring it out to events, because it's a very limited, and we know, you know, with the V12s, what Lamborghini was doing back in the day, they'll never do it again.
No, that's done.
And
Not
it's
like
just
this.
not like this. And this is such an iconic car because, you know, growing up, I think it crosses probably 2-3 generations posters, right? We always have a Murcielago in the bedroom as a poster and saying, hey, when I grow up, that's my dream car. And you see the dream car being, you know, totaled is just not an easy thing to process.
Well, that's it for that. As my father-in-law, my ex-father-in-law was a large animal vet, and when he put a horse down, he'd say, well, that's it for that son bitch. And I think that's it for that son bitch. Somebody tells you can't park there.
Damn, I heard that.
We're going on a cruise later. If you go, we're going on a. If you want to,
I'll take the Mercy.
If you just want to wash it up.
Yeah.
They fixed the LSLS in one day. Probably do that in one day.
I'll get it detailed, put some tires on, I'll join you on. Yeah. What is this? How much is the tow? You know?
A lot.
We would have to talk to.
It'll be a lot. You gotta talk to this guy and negotiate. I had the same situation. It was like $1,800 to go an hour because they have you right now. So you gotta make sure you know where it's going.
Yeah.
And negotiate that.
Yeah. When are you gonna be back in town?